How to add members to a Zoom channel. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add members to Zoom channel easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So first thing, go to Zoom. Now this is the home page, as you can see. Now let's choose the channel. For example, click on your channel. Now all what you have to do to add members is go here in the top corner right here and go to add members option right here. Click on it, and now you will be able to add any member or contact you have on your Zoom account. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.